So hi guys, in this video we will see how to add a new friend in your Discord application. So guys, if you want to add a new friend in your Discord, so guys, first of all you click the option of messages. So guys, here you see this is my conversation messaging. So you just click here. Now guys, here you see the option of add friend. So you just click the option of plus icon, and if you want to add a new group and add a friend, so you just go here and you share with invite, copy link, QR code, message and the mail. We have lot of options to connect, but we are using the username. For username you just click and here you go and search your friend username. So this is my friend username. Nine. Okay, now you send the friend request. So here you check that your friend request is now sent. Now your friend just wait a few seconds. Your friend will accept your friend request. When the request is accepted, then your conversation is start. Okay, so now I'm check, here is my pending, and now I'm just accept the invitation. Now you go back, again go back, and guys here you check this is my friend that I'm just logged in, and you simply search and send the messages. Sorry, go back. So here you go, and here you send the message. Okay, so this is a simple way that you can. So guys, thank you and have a nice